for 2 days now, and we're gonna stay here in China for about 2 weeks. And yeah, I just wanted to shoot this small video to show you a little bit of the experience that I'm having here on this amazing place here in China. We're by the way at in the city of Beijing or Peking, I'm not sure. I think we call it in Dutch, we call it Peking, and in English it's Beijing. So yes, you guys, I'm in China at the Great Wall. So that's it for now, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye! Hi you guys, and today is day 3 of our wonderful trip here in China, and as you can see all around me, all the Chinese people, there's a lot really. Anyway, we're standing, I hope that you can hear me, but we're standing here in the Forbidden City, which is totally amazing. It is so yeah, I don't know how to say it, but the experience is so wonderful. And as you can see, it's quite big. It took us about 2 hours to get inside with all the security and everything. And it is a large premises here, and from the beginning of the gate to the end of the gate it's about 1 kilometer. And we were told that there were 9,999 rooms in this city. So as you can see, very huge, and it is such an experience. Things that you see from the movies, it is all so real, and it's so worth it. So well, I hope that you have enjoyed this, and maybe I will do some shots inside, but anyway, thank you for watching. Bye! Hi there, and welcome back. Today is day 6 of our trip here in China, and as you can see, this is the real deal, you guys. We're standing here in the city of Xi'an in the Muslim area, and we have just visited the mosque here. And just a little bit of tiny information, there are not a lot of mosques here in this area. There are about 100,000, we were told. So yeah, but as you can see, it's just so great experiencing the real Chinese life. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I hope to see you again next time. Bye! Hi guys, this is day 7 of my great trip to China, and maybe as you can see here, we're standing here at the Great Terracotta Army with the terracotta warriors, and this is yet again one of the 7 wonders, and it is really amazing, as you can see, because they are literally like a puzzle putting these soldiers back together. So this is such an experience to see, and I hope that you like a part of this video and that you can share my excitement in this. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. Thank you. And as you can see, they walk just in front of me. They don't even know that I'm filming. That's why I don't like filming. But anyway, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.